Hi guys, this is Stephanie from WTI.
Today I wanted to show you the Colombian Woman's Newton Rich Plus waterproof hiking boot. I love these boots because they are so comfortable and lightweight and also super cute. They designed this hiking shoe with a reinforced toe and heel barrier, which is good because I know that they're gonna last me a long time. I also like that they have the Omni-GRIP on the bottom of the sole, which it will help you hike a variety of terrain. These boots, it's a gray color with the contrast of the pink and the darker gray. In my personal experience, I have a hard time finding boots that fit my feet. I'm usually a size 12 or 11, depending on the shoe. This is a size 12, which is a really hard to find. So I'm sure all the tall girlies like me are gonna be super happy to get these boots. I'm super happy with this purchase and I'm sure that you're gonna love it as much as I do.
And that's my point of view.